Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up 3 more packages. Today is Saturday, and I'm still out in Wiggins. I'll be coming home today. Really can't wait to get home. But anyway, it's always good to get away, but it's great to get back home. That's what I always say. But these packages are from Larry O'Brien from Somerville, Massachusetts. Almost said Maine again. Maine is M-E. Massachusetts is M-A. I know y'all know that, but I have to say that. This one here, guys, comes from Mr. Garrett Gera, Mr. Boss Hog Blade, from Madison, Alabama. And this one here, guys, comes from Clermont, Florida, from B. Russian. How about that? Pretty cool, ain't it? Anyway, we fix to go there and open these packages up, see what everybody sent, guys. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for being here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, the first package we're going to open up comes all the way to us from Mr. Garrett Gera from Madison, Alabama. Okay, guys, this is what was inside. There was no note, but I know he sent this for the auction, my next auction, which is going to be sometime at the end of April. So this right here is, he signed the box, Mr. Boss Hog. But this is a red bone Barlow made by Baron Son right here. This is personal knife that he had Baron Son make. Beautiful red bone, carbon steel. It's the 4th generation right here. No brass in it whatsoever. But there's a little blade right there. It's carbon steel USA. Made right up there in Jacksonville, Alabama, not too far away from where Boss Hog the Blade Man lives. But there's his little cat right there. But he also sent some of these. I'm just gonna give these away. I'll give I know one for each of these away when we auction them off, and we'll pick out some blades, some knives to be auctioned off with the knife. So it's gonna be cool. Very, very nice, Mr. Garrett. Thank you so much for all your support, buddy. Appreciate everything you do, man. Y'all go check him out on Whatnot. He has a Whatnot show every morning, 6:30 p.m. Oh, I'm sorry, every morning, 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. Appreciate it again, Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett sent those knives and that wax all the way from Madison, Alabama, 218 miles away from Ellerville, Georgia. Mr. Garrett, buddy, thank you so much for the wax, the knives for the next auction. Thank you so much, man, for everything. God bless you, buddy. Okay, guys, the next package comes to us all the way from B. Russian from Clermont, Florida. Says, Kevin bought this from you, your Whatnot auction, donated back to you, included in a charity auction. Thanks, Bill. Well, buddy, the next auction is going to be to help pay for the Ellerville knife show. I'm going to include it in that. I don't even know what he sent back. Okay. Okay, it's got the Boker that Mr. Eric donated. Very nice. It's got that firework on the back of it. It's actually made off 1508 steel. Dang. Did you do that? I think he done that. Dude, if you done that, that's beautiful work, man. But this is the one that Mr. Eric donated for the Bible. When we gave the money to Killeen, Texas, that church out there that donates or gives Bibles out to the first responders and stuff like that. But beautiful. And I don't remember that on the back of that knife. If you done that, buddy, that's beautiful work, man. I can't wait to put this in the auction. Thank you so much for everything, buddy. Mr. Bill sent that knife. He donated it back for the next auction, all the way from Claremont, Florida, 332 miles away from Ellerville, Georgia. Mr. Bill, buddy, appreciate you donating that knife back for the next auction. Appreciate you support the channel. God bless you, man. Okay, guys, the last package we're going to be opening up is from Larry O'Brien from Somerville, Massachusetts. Hi, Kevin, the Knife Doctor. Here are some gifts for the gang. Love watching your show. Keep up the good work, Mr. Larry O'Brien. Well, Mr. Larry, buddy, thank you so much for these. I love it, man. I can't wait to see the Zippos, but this is the interesting gift right here. This went going to the boss, aka the bird dog. She is the boss, buddy. I'm telling you right now, she is. It's a gift card. Thank you so much for this, buddy. She'll love this. And it is for the amount of $25. Thank you so much, man. She is gonna love this. Me too. We'll go out and eat there one day, or get us some donuts and coffee. Thank you so much, buddy. Very, very kind of you, Mr. Larry. I'm gonna write your name down on this so I won't forget it. Okay, I got your name on there, buddy, so I won't forget it. Larry O'Brien, Somerville, Massachusetts. Same thing with Mr. Wade. Let's look at Mr. Wade's Zippo. Navy. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely beautiful, dude. I love that right there. That's a 24D. That's April. Man. I love that right. Enlist in the Navy, U.S. Navy Recruiting Station, 146 Tremont St. Street, Boston. Follow the flag. God, that's beautiful, buddy. I've never seen that one. Look at that ship in the background right there. Wow. Love it, man. He's going to love it too. He is absolutely going to love it. The color on that is just very, very nice. Put that back on there. Very, very cool. Let's see what this one is right here. This one's taped up. Look at that. U.S. Marines, Soldiers of the Sea. Military training, travel, education, development, U.S. Marines. Golly, man, I love that. Look at that whale tail all the way off in the distance right there. I think that's a whale tail. I actually seen a whale tail. It was on my second med float. We just come through the Strait of Gibraltar. It wasn't too far out of the strait, and everybody saw a whale tail. It was way off, but it was really, really cool. As H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That's August of 24. Dude, I love that right there. Man, beautiful, beautiful. First med float, I looked almost a lot, and I never see a whale tail. Saw plenty of dolphins. Saw some flying fish. I actually seen some flying fish on our workup. We went down to Puerto Rico for about 2 weeks. We rode down there on a ship. There was nothing but beautiful blue sea, flying fish everywhere. They would just pop out of the water. Some of them were pretty big, but a lot of them were real small. I'd say about that big, but some of them were big now. But dolphins everywhere, though, just following the ship or in front of the ship, playing around with it at the front of the ship. It was beautiful. I loved it. It was really cool, really cool. But anyway, we didn't get to see a whale tail on the first med float. The second med float, it was coming to an end, and I finally got to see one. It was awesome. It come up out of the ocean and went down. It was beautiful. Never forget it. Let's see what this one is now. That's from Mr. Glenn. Ain't that cool? We'll look at that last. My goodness, man. Look at that, dude. 2015 HI, that's September. Wow. Ain't it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Yeah, 9 September. Dude, I love that, man. That is so cool. That's a samurai, man. That's that sun from Japan. I love it, dude. Love that. That is beautiful right there. Never been used. Love this, man. Golly, I love these Zippos, buddy. It's just so cool. So cool. Love it, buddy. Let's see what Mr. Glenn. Whoa, he's gonna like that now. He likes the different colors. That's beautiful, buddy. Thank you so much for that. He's gonna love this. Love it, buddy. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow. Mr. Larry, buddy, thank you so much for everything, buddy. Appreciate you. Miss Val, she's going to love that. The bird dog. Then you got Wade's, the Zippo, beautiful. These two are just absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Really do. Love them, man. Thank you, Mr. Larry. Appreciate you, buddy. Mr. Larry sent all those gifts all the way from Somerville, Massachusetts. (1,187 miles away from Ellerville, Georgia. Mr. Larry, buddy, thank you so much for the support of the channel. Love the gifts, buddy. Appreciate everything, man. God bless you, buddy. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoy the video today. I just want to thank Mr. Larry. I want to thank Mr. Bill, and I want to thank Mr. Garrett for all those items donated to the channel. Thank y'all so much. Love the gifts. Love the knives. Loves everything for the auctions. Thank y'all so much. Well, guys, again, I'll be coming back home today. Can't wait to get back home. I know myself. I'm actually filming this on Wednesday, but I know myself. It's good to go, but it's great to get back home, and I cannot wait to get back home. And I will be making a video of all the footage that I had out there on Sunday and maybe Monday as well, because I'm gonna be out there for we're gonna leave tomorrow, which is Thursday. Be out there Friday and be out there half a day Saturday and coming home. I'll be out there with Mr. Sniper, Mr. Barry Snipes. It's gonna be a great time, guys. Can't wait to share all that with y'all. Can't wait to see the guys at Deep South Cutlery too. And I just want to say thank y'all again for everything. Appreciate y'all the support. Thank y'all, guys. I mean that. And I just want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys. That'll be like a good night. Stay sharp.
Thumbs up to the Knife Doctor for a wonderful barbecue, and we've had a very wonderful guest here today, Mr. Dave, and with a world of respect, my hat's off to him.
It plays on my mind, out in the wild, looking for what time left behind, from a pawn shop shelf to a flea market tray. I'm hungry all night that lost their way. Then I might shoot ignite my sweet China day. I'm the night doctor, baby. I'll bring 'em back alive.